कारगिल के वीर वो है जिन्होंने हिम्मत को अपना हथियार और देशभक्ति को अपना पहचान बनाया है।
जिद है मेरी, दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
कारगिल विजय दिवस के मौके पर एक बाइक रैली मुनक्किद की जा रही है और इसमें मुल्क भर से आए हुए हैं बाइकर्स जिन्होंने कारगिल के उन वीर जवानों की वीरता को याद किया जिन्होंने 1999 में अपनी जान को निछावर करके पूरे देश का मान सम्मान बचाया।
जग्गा जित्ते ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्ते ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा, सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया।
आज हम भी आए हैं रेडियो ऑर्गेज़म 90.8 FM की टीम भी इसी कारगिल वॉर मेमोरियल में, जहां पर आएंगे और अपने देश के उन वीर जवानों को श्रद्धांजलि पेश करेंगे।
From left to the station of Dras, and how are you actually feeling the courage, the motivation, the goosebumps from the Kargil War Memorial, all over the experience?
To be absolutely honest with you, the first time I passed this road was back in 1999 when the Op Vijay was on. And a couple of my colleagues were part of it. So it was a very emotional journey when you remember the people who were close to you were done. And yes, I would say it was great remembering them back. Though you generally don't forget your comrades or your mates. But in such occasions, you're once again reminded of them.
People who might say that why the bike rally has been chosen, although there are so many events that are just upcoming, and again we are just this throughout the year. We should remember whatever actually heroes they have.
No, that's exactly what I said. You don't forget them, but these are moments which reiterate your feeling of commitment towards the nation and the remembrance of the people who laid down their life.
Hello, ma'am.
How was the journey?
Ma'am, it was good. So we started from Leh to commemorate the sacrifice that our valor, our heroes have given, ma'am, during the Kargil war. So the journey was really amazing. We started from Leh, and yesterday the weather was really awesome. So we started. There was a light drizzle as well. We reached Forchula Pass, and we clicked photographs there. There were even civilians. We interacted with them as well. Then subsequently we went to Namikla Pass, where again we interacted with a few civilians. Then we ended our day one journey at Kargil. Then again today morning we started, and from Kargil went to Sanku, and then from the entire pass we covered and reached here at Dras today.
So this place is actually a historic place. Actually, overall the region has a deep history historically. Very.
Absolutely, ma'am. So let me give it from a biker's point of view. For most people, Ladakh is like a biker's trip. So everyone, like all the bikers, they come here, and when they pass through Kargil War Memorial, they just take a halt, and here they come to know the valor and the sacrifice that our heroes have given. Then they understand that what Kargil war actually meant, that actually the Kargil war was fought here in Dras, and how much our heroes had sacrificed for that freedom that we are enjoying today.
जग्गा लिख गया नई कहानी, जग्गा लिख गया जग्गा।
रोके वो काफी, रुके ना तू तो टोके वो काफी, झुके जरा भी, रुकेगी ना पर इनकलाबी, मन है राजी।
I want to say nothing but a quote, ride of remembrance. And what actually the message behind it, what actually out the goosebumps, how actually currently you have completed your journey. So go throughout the journey, I want to know each and every single experience.
I'll tell you, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for covering this event. It is quite nostalgic, and the very bedrock of the reason why this event was undertaken. As you all are aware, we are right now at the War Memorial. So we've endured a journey from Leh, starting from the War Memorial there, and culminated at this historical war memorial at Dras, which is also known as the Kargil War Memorial, which is symbolic of the sacrifices of not only the soldiers but also of the people, the local people of Leh, Ladakh, Dras, Kargil, Batalik. So it is an ode or a tribute not just to the fallen soldiers, our heroes, but also to the people who have always stood by the Indian Army and all the uniformed forces. So if I talk about the adventure or the route, yes, it was adventurous. Trust me, this is considered to be one of the most challenging terrains in the country. So I've been a rider, I've been a driver, I've covered the entire country almost by road. So this is one place which you get to see a lot of diversity in the terrain, the weather, and it's not just that the army or we people from the forces were doing that. We had many other riders as well who in between had joined our short stint. So it is all about duty, devotion, dedication, patience, perseverance. So this is how I would summarize this, and I think this has been successful, fruitful, without any mishap. So God has been kind, the mountains have been kind. So
डरना क्यों अब अपनी बारी मार ही लेंगे अब तो बाजी
लेह टू द्रास खाली ये बाइक रैली सिर्फ एक बाइक रैली का सफर नहीं रहा, बल्कि अपने मुल्क के तमाम उन वीर जवानों को श्रद्धांजलि पेश करने का रहा, जिन्होंने हमारे आने वाले बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए अपने उस आज को कुर्बान कर दिया।
कमाने हैं